Hi guys, today I'll create a makeup look using all the drugstore products. Enjoy! I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation here in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'll apply it with a foundation brush, a flat foundation brush. You can use any kind of brush or you can also use your fingers to apply it on your face. I'm using the Nykaa's Beauty Blender here. You can use any kind of makeup sponge or blender that you have, it's fine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, and I'll use it under my eyes to hide my dark circles and also around my mouth to hide any darkness, and I'll use it on my nose and my chin to highlight and a little bit on my forehead too. It is a very good concealer. It is medium to full coverage and it is buildable. I'm using the Wet n Wild Dragging Me Down bronzer to bronze up my face, to warm up my face a little bit. It is a really good bronzer. It suits my skin tone really well. And I'll use the same bronzer to contour my nose a little bit, just to give a little shadow. I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil here in the shade brown. I'll fill in the gaps in my eyebrows wherever it is needed. I will not overdo it as it is a daytime look. Makeup Revolution's matte eyeshadow palette. I'll mention the link of the products in the description box below. Let's start by applying the eyeshadow on the outer corner and then blending it inwards in the crease using a small blending brush. I'll do the same thing on the other eye as well. I'll start by from the outer corner, blending it in the crease and then packing the eyeshadow on the whole layer and then blending it with a big blending brush. And I'll apply the same eyeshadow on the lower lash line. This is Maybelline's Colossal Kajal. I'll apply it on the upper lash line. You don't have to be very precise with the line. Just draw a rough line and then using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'll smudge it out. Then I'll apply the same kajal on my waterline and then I'll smudge it with a brush. I'll use the black eyeshadow on my lower lash line to make it look more smoky. This is Maybelline's Cheeky Glow Blush. I'll apply it on the apples of my cheeks using a big fluffy brush. This is Wet n Wild's highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. It is a very champagne color highlighter. I'll use it on the high points of my face, on the bridge of my nose, cheekbones, under my brows, on my chin. I'll curl my lashes and apply a good coat of mascara on both my upper lashes and my lower lashes, because I am not using false lashes here because it's daytime and I don't prefer to use lashes during daytime. You can if you want to. I'm lining my lips using a nude lip liner, and then I'll top it up with Lakme's 9 to 5 cream lipstick in the shade Peach Path.